Our students will come back with new science lesson for grade 7. Our lesson today speak about acids and alkalis. Learning object. By the end of this lesson we must learn to know that solutions can be sorted by whether they are acid or alkali or neutral. To understand that an alkali reacts with an acid to cancel it out. To know that indicators show you how acids or alkaline solutions is. Acids and alkalis. When substance dissolves in water it makes a solution. These solutions can be sorted by whether they are acid or alkali. Base or base alkali can be called base or neutral. When the oxide of some nonmetals dissolve in water they make an acid. Nonmetals with oxygen oxide plus water can be give me acid. So the solutions can called acid. Acids have a sour taste. They are corrosive. So we can know the acids by test. It take sour taste and corrosive. It burns the skin if you touch it. Acid reacts with metals and carbonates. This is the properties of acid. Metals plus acid give us salt and hydrogen. Metals plus acid give me salt and hydrogen. Magnesium plus hydrochloric acid, this is hydrochloric acid HCl plus magnesium. Magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. Magnesium chloride plus hydrogen and give out hydrogen. Acid plus carbonate also gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Sulfuric acid plus copper carbonate give me copper sulfate plus water and carbon dioxide. This is some example about reaction of acid. Acids, there are many acids present in our everyday life, like lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid and vinegar contains ethanoic acid. Some strong acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Some weak acids are ethanoic acid, citric acid and carbonic acid. This we must see the concentrations of acid, because high concentrated acid it will be harmful. Neutralization. Acids with alkalis react with each other. The alkali cancels out the acids in the reaction. This is called neutralization. If we mix acid and alkali or base, give us salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. Like hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide give me us sodium chloride. This is salt, food salt and H2O water. Salt is made by neutralization reaction between acid and alkali. The salt made depends on the acid and alkali used. The salt contains the metal atom from the alkali and part of acid molecules. The salt of sulfuric acids are known as sulfates. The salt of hydrochloric acid are known as chlorides. The salt of nitric acids are known as nitrates. Alkalis, alkapase. Many everyday substances are alkalis. They feel soapy. They are corrosive. When the oxides of some metals dissolve in water, they make an alkali base solution. But oxide of nonmetals dissolve in water, we give acid. But metal oxide, when it solve in water, it gives us alkali. Alkalis react with acids and neutralize them. Alkalis are present in many cleaning substances in use in our home. Kitchen cleaners are alkali because they contain ammonia or sodium hydroxide which attack grass. Calcium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide are strong alkalis. The most recognizable and common weak alkali is ammonia. Indicators: how we can know if the solution is acid or alkali. We can test it by our mouth. Indicators help you find out whether the solution is acid or alkali. They change colors in acid or alkali solutions. Different indicators change to different colors. Leptis is an indicator. It changes color in acid and alkali solutions. Leptis is red in an acid and leptis is blue in an alkaline. So leptis paper give a red color with acid and give a blue color with alkali. This is a universal indicator. Universal indicators change color in acids and alkalis. Universal indicators start with 0 to end with 14. 7 is the neutral, like water or milk. Acids start from 6 to 0. This is low concentration of acid and this is high concentrations of acid. This low concentration of alkalis and this is high concentration of alkalis. Its colors show the strength of an acid or alkaline. This strong acid and this strong alkali. This is the neutral. The pH scale. pH scale. This is scale we use it to know the acid or alkali concentration. Applications of neutralization. Insect stings. Bee stings are acid and can be neutralized with baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. Wasp stings are alkaline and can be neutralized with vinegar. Also, indigestion. Our stomach carries around hydrochloric acid. Too much of this leads to indigestion. To cure indigestion, you can neutralize the excess acids with baking soda or specialized indigestion tablets. And also we have another application about neutralization, like in planting a plant. Soil treatment. When soils are too acidic, often as a result of acid rain, they can be treated with slate, lime, chalk or quicklime or alkalines. Plants and groups grow best in neutral soil. The new soil must be neutral to have a healthy growth for plant. Factory waste. Liquid waste from factories is often acidic. If it reaches the river or a river, it will destroy and kill sea life of many forms. Neutralizing the waste with slate, lime can be prevented. Thank you. Goodbye with new lesson.